So in order to purchase a stock on Robinhood, the first thing you have to understand is what stock you actually want to buy. So let's say, for example, you've done some research and you decided that you want to buy one share of Ford stock, for example. Well, now let me show you how to purchase one share of Ford. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in either Ford or the symbol, which is just F. So let me type in F, and then I'm going to go ahead and click search. And as you can see, Ford Motor shows up immediately. So if we click on that, we can see that Ford is currently trading at $9.01 per share. And so now if I want to buy one share of Ford, all I'm going to do is click on the trade button and I'm going to click buy. So I'm just going to buy one share of Ford for demonstration purposes. So this is where you decide how many shares you actually want to purchase. And by default, it's going to be a market order, which means it's going to close at the current market price at this instant point in time. So at any point in time when you're looking to buy a stock, you have buy orders and sell orders, and that's going to determine the quoted price that you're most likely going to pay. But what you actually pay might be a little bit different based on what the order is actually executed at. But if we go over here to this drop down, you can see where you have also the option to buy in dollar amounts or buy in shares. I'm going to purchase in shares, but if you want, you can also do fractional shares on Robinhood and just buy it in dollar increments. There's also different order types you can utilize if you're looking to have some advanced order types. However, I never ever use these, and I simply just, put my money in through a market order, and I always sell through a market order as well. But maybe in another video I can go over some of these advanced order types for those of you who are interested, but I never use them, so I don't want to confuse you here. The other option you can set up here is recurring investments into this stock. So if you wanted to put money into Ford stock every single week on a recurring basis, you are able to do that. But the market's about to close, so let me go ahead and execute this order. So I'm looking to buy one share at a market price of $8.99. Click review and then swipe up to submit, and then you're going to see them close that order. So one share of Ford was just purchased at $9 per share. So now it sounds kind of silly, but I'm going to turn around and sell that share of Ford stock just so you guys understand how that works.